Hello and welcome back. It's a Monday unlike any other because it's one packed with entertainment, and entertainment. From Salman Khan resuming his Antim shoot to Michael Moron spilling the tea on his Bollywood debut, Alia joining Ranbir for his little fam jam, and more. Here are the biggest headlines of the day. After farming, singing, and cycling his way through the lockdown, Salman Khan is back on the film sets. RB's got word that the superstar has chosen to resume work on his film Antim. Our khabris tell us that it'll be a 4-day patchwork shoot. They will be shooting for the first 2 days at Kamalistan Studio, and the next 2 days will be at a bungalow in Baikla. The faster they finish work on this Ayush Sharma starrer, the faster we get to see Salu in all his shirtless glory. Are you lost, baby girl? Well, don't you worry because Michael Moron is heading the Bollywood way after all. Spilling the deets about his highly anticipated debut, the 365-day star admitted, "My team has been approached for Bollywood projects and that's why we've expanded there." When asked if we would see him bless our desi screens with his presence, he said, "I would love to do a Hindi film." A public service announcement to all casting directors, filmmakers and scriptwriters. You know what you have to do, now make it happen. In some Monday movie updates, we have Bhushan Kumar and Anubhav Sinha announcing that they have joined hands for another ambitious project. This one is going to be an action thriller that will be helmed by Ansal Mehta and will feature 2 fresh faces. Meanwhile, Boney Kapoor has acquired the remake rights of Mammootty's 2021 Malayalam political drama, One. Our bees learned that a big and dependable actor will be approached to play the lead role in the Hindi remake that will also be released in various other Indian languages. Meanwhile, actress Kangana Ranaut has found herself in a sticky situation owing to her copyright battle with writer Ashish Kaul over Manikarnika Returns: The Legend of Deeda. Kaul's lawyers told RBs that Ranaut's pleas for passport renewal has been refused in view of her case with the writer and another case both at the Bandra Magistrate Court. They also revealed, "We have waived off notice and will be filing a detailed and comprehensive reply, vehemently opposing any relief since she is yet to appear before the police for a statement in this case and therefore investigation has been slow." Moving on to matters of the heart, we had Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor packing on the mush as they got cozy over dinner. We may not have a wedding date, but it is safe to say that Alia is already a part of the family. Just look at this gorgeous photo from the Kapoor's fam jam. Another couple feeling the love was Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif. The rumored lovers left behind a trail of hearts on Angeera Dhar and director Anand Tiwari's wedding pics. Anand and Angeera became the latest celeb couple to announce their hush-hush wedding, which took place on April 30th, 2021. On that sweet note, it's bye for now. See you all tomorrow.